Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are showing off the April mystery kit, and I'm super excited about this one. So let's just jump right to it. This kit is called Alien, and it is such a fun kit. It is Galaxy, Alien, I don't know. It's just so fun. There's so much like holographic little details in here, and I just think it is so fun. I love it so much. So if you get the full bundle, you will get all of the sheets in here, and then I'll go over the tiny kit at the end. So this is the full boxes, the half box, quarter box sheet, the bottom washi and date covers, the functional page, the headers and little things, the squared box sheet, and then you get your extra Fashion Girls glitter headers and then a couple extra boxes on that sheet. So if you get the ultimate kit, you will get all of those pages. If you get the tiny kit, you just get these 2 pages taken out. So you have your full boxes, your quarter boxes, bottom washi, functional, and extra full boxes and glitter headers. So that's the tiny kit. All of our kit sizes do come with extras. So not only are you going to get the kit, but you're also going to get the 15mm bottom washi strip. We have our exclusive freebie, which is just these icons in the colors of the kit. And what I'm so excited for is our foil bundle. And the reason why I'm super excited about this is because I have a little surprise. And we went with a brand new foil. So this is the foil bundle. I'm calling it Alien, just like the kit. You have some like constellations, you have some aliens, some moons, some stars, some planets. I just think it's so fun, and it's in this like sparkly glitter, and it's like holographic glitter. I just think it's so fun. Here's the bottom washi. Oh, it's just so stunning. I love it. So the bottom washi has this like pixie dust looking pattern with some planets, and then you have a bottom washi strip with the aliens and the planets and some stars, and then the headers are the moons and then the moon confetti as well. And then here is the icon sheet. How gorgeous is this foil? I love it so much. So that is the mystery kit for April. I hope you guys like it. Please let me know in the comments down below, and we're going to be bringing this foil to the shop super soon. So can't wait to see it. Bye guys.